Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you the changes and improvements in the dev channel of Windows 11 Insider Preview, version 24H2, build 26120.1843, KB 5043185, so, without further ado, let's begin. File Explorer now gives you quick access to files that have been shared with you. If you're signed into Windows with a Microsoft account, you'll see files that have been shared with you via email, Teams chat, and more. Enterprise users with a Microsoft Entra ID account will see not only files that have been shared with them, but also files that have been shared with others. To use this feature, simply open the File Explorer homepage and click the Share tab. In addition, the list of file types displayed in the Recent, Favorites, and Shared sections on the main Explorer page has also been expanded. This build includes a preview of the new Windows Sandbox client, which will be updated via the Microsoft Store. This version adds clipboard syncing, audio and video controls, and the ability to share folders in the Sandbox with your primary PC. These features can be accessed via the new three-dot button in the top right corner of the app. There are some changes and improvements in this build, like, on new PCs or new accounts, the Microsoft 365 app will be pinned to the taskbar by default. If the device is running Windows 11 Enterprise, Education, or Pro version, and is connected to an Entra ID or domain, this will provide quick access to Copilot for Microsoft 365. Media controls now appear at the bottom of the lock screen when playing any media. When you right-click on apps pinned to the Start menu, the context menu will display jump lists, if they exist for that app. Microsoft has made changes to the new Account Manager in the Start menu, bringing the Sign Out button back into the foreground, which should make it easier for users to sign out. The company has begun testing a simplified system tray, where the date and time are displayed in abbreviated form, and the notification bell icon is displayed. Depending on the Do Not Disturb status, you can return to the classic display of the date and time, by changing the settings in the Time and Language tab, then Date and Time, and select Show Time and Date on the taskbar. Microsoft is introducing the ability to share local files directly from taskbar search results. In the Settings app, under Bluetooth and Devices, there are options for controlling gestures at the edges of the screen. If necessary, you can disable them for the left and right edges of the screen. You can now turn off notification suggestions from individual apps. You can tap the three-dot button inside a notification to turn it off like any other notification, or go to the list of notification senders in the Settings app, then System, click on Notifications, and turn it off. This option will only appear in the list of senders once you've received at least one such suggestion. Microsoft has added a button to detach a virtual hard disk. To use this feature, go to Settings, then System, click on Storage, then select Advanced Storage Settings, select Disks and Volumes, choose the desired virtual hard disk from the list, and go to Properties. On this page, you will find a button to detach the virtual hard disk. The company has improved the Settings page for delivery optimization under the Settings app in Windows Update tab. Select Advanced Options, then Delivery Optimization to match the Windows 11 design principles. There are some fixes in this update, like, when using a keyboard shortcut Windows+E, the screen reader might report that the panel already has focus, or that focus could not be set at all. Fixed an issue that was causing Ctrl+F to sometimes not start a search in File Explorer. Fixed an issue where keyboard focus might get lost when using Shift+Tab in File Explorer. Screen readers did not indicate that you were opening or viewing items that were in the breadcrumb trail, in the Open or Save dialog boxes. They also did not indicate when opening or viewing items in column headers. The browser did not honor the frame shutdown delay value specified in the registry key. The SCCM task to re-enable UWF failed due to a deadlock in UWF. This prevented the device from rebooting at the expected time. Microsoft added confirmation prompt when enabling OpenSSH using the Server Manager UI. The company has removed the NetJoin legacy account reuse registry key to improve security when joining a domain. Previously, user account control did not prompt for user credentials when restoring applications. After you install this update, UAC will prompt for user credentials. You may need to update your automation scripts to accommodate this change. To disable the UAC prompt, set the registry value to 1 in the following path. You cannot select a group from the target domain for ILT, or an account from local users and groups, because the forest is not displayed. This issue occurs when multiple forests are deployed, and the target domain has a one-way trust with the administrator domain, which affects enhanced security admin environment, hardened forests or privileged access management. Fixed an issue where colors in the performance section were not displayed correctly when using the dark theme. There are some known issues in this update, like insiders who join the dev channel on devices running Windows 11 version 24H2 will see repair version next to the new build name in Windows Update. This is normal behavior and will update the system to the latest build for the dev channel. If you click a letter in the All Apps list in the Start menu, the All Apps list will no longer function correctly. To fix this, try restarting your computer or restarting the Explorer.exe process. A new version of the Snipping tool is available to insiders in the Canary and Dev channels, which adds the ability to select a folder for automatically saving screenshots and screen recordings. To use the new feature, simply open the Snipping tool settings, and specify the desired default folder for saving files. The recall feature no longer appears in the Turn Windows Features On or Off dialog box. Fixed an issue where in the previous build, Windows Modules installer could reach 100% CPU usage, causing system freezes and other issues on your PC. Fixed an issue resulting in some insiders being unable to install the latest updates due to error 0x800F0993. Fixed an issue where text hints for the hardware keyboard would not work correctly. Fixed an issue where the widgets icon would sometimes appear twice on the taskbar. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.